Hi guys, it's Belinda, and today I wanted to do an honest review on this Amazon basic scale. So I use this for my food scale in the kitchen. It's small and I can tuck it right into my plate drawer, and I use it for a lot of my foods because I found my plate servings were getting too big. So this will help keep an eye on everything. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So it comes like this. And back here, it even provides you a set of batteries you put in. And the settings are very minimal. So you just turn it on, wait for it, and there it goes. And you can do the different units. You can do pounds and ounces, mils, fluid ounces, grams. So I'm going to show you the feature that I use a lot for this, because salads are pretty lean foods, but you can, if you add too much bacon or cheese or things, they're not so lean. So I put this on and I press tare and it zeroes it out. So that's, nothing, because I want to know how much cheese I'm adding to my salad, and there it is, 0.6. When they say basics, they mean it's basic to use, which is very easy, and I love it. So you can do that. You can zero it out again if you want to add your bacon. So you can continually do that as you add different foods like chickens and bacon, eggs. This is a nice size. So I hope this review helps you. I thank you for watching and have a lovely day.